Sairang Vidyajyoti Inclusive Secondary School, Sangshong, yesterday celebrated the International Day for Persons with Disability on the theme, Amplifying the Leadership of Persons with Disabilities for an Inclusive and Sustainable Future. The additional Deputy Commissioner of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, V.A. Hnyota, attended this program as the chief guest. Hnyota expressed her happiness that there are students who are able to excel in their studies and also to come back and teach in this school. Also on this day, the management of the school honored the students who excel in the SSLC examination of 2024.
I'm a CVP. He cannot give it on universities with disabilities, but he can make grateful. But he's not grateful about the gift of life, and let us share our love and kindness to other people, because in this world we do need a lot of kindness, especially in today's world. But keep it reach out to Shadiway. It's time for us to stand up together and help those who are in need.
The weather report. The maximum temperature